the a very predictable or doubt, I could say, for all my viewers also. Now coming up to SR latch with the NAND gates, let us see what it is.
So in the previous case you have seen SR latch using NOR. There S equal to 1, R equal to 1 is the forbidden condition. Here S equal to 0 and R equal to 0 is the forbidden condition. The same as before, it's causing like this. And here latch made from cross-coupled NAND gates are shown here. So it's known as SR latch. Usually S equal to 1 and R equal to 1 will store the data.
Okay.
Okay. S equal to 0 and R equal to 0 generates unpredictable results. That's what this truth table says. Okay.
We just have it as a opposite indication of what we looked earlier,
yeah,
right?
just the opposite of
Start. Coming up to the D latch now, we should know what actually this D understands here. It is nothing but data, or it can be referred to as a delay. So this latch is really useful when we need a device to store a bit of data. It has to be remembered here. That's why I have given here as a remember that it is a bit of data which it stores. Now the term data refers to the fact that the latch stores data, and the term delay refers to the fact that output Q is equal to the input D one time period later. That is, Q is equal to D delayed by one time period. So the gated D latch is also called as a transparent latch. So this is the timing diagram here, and this is how the D latch works, the simple working of a D latch, and driven by SR